Good morning, students. Today, under the same series of Adobe Photoshop CC, the topic which we're going to learn about is selection tools. In the previous video, we have learned about the rectangular marquee tool, and in this video, we're going to learn about some more tools here. Today, we're going to learn about lasso tools. So let's proceed. Lasso tool is a type of selection tool, and it is a bunch of three very useful tools used for freehand selections. These are lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, and magnetic lasso tool. So just learn about these selection tools in our video. So let's proceed with the video. So here we are talking about the lasso tool today. Earlier we have done about the rectangular selection. So lasso tool, when we click it on, we'll find three options over here: lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, and magnetic lasso tool. Let's see these one by one. First we click it on the lasso tool, and when we select any area, you can see the perfection of it. We just hover the mouse over the area on which we have to select, and now you can find the dashed border which signifies that this particular portion has been selected. Now if we talk about the polygonal lasso tool, so it's also a freehand selection, but its counters is made up of straight segment, that whenever we select with the help of a polygonal lasso tool, we just find the straight lines over there, like from first starting point to end point. We just have to join these points together, and you can find only the straight line selection. So if we are having any rectangle or any thing like made up of lines, so in that case we can select this. If we select the magnetic lasso tool, so now you can see the border snap to the edges of the defined area in the images. And the magnetic lasso tool is especially useful for quickly selecting objects with complex edges set against higher contrast background. So here we just have to hover our mouse. It will automatically select the area, and the tool is just like the dropping the fastening points along the edges. So now here in this way we can able to select our particular portion. Now, if we talk about the quick selection tool, so here we are having magic wand tool. Just click it on, and from there just select the quick selection tool. Basically, it is used for quick selection. As you drag the mouse, the selection expand outwards. Now here in this video, you can see it finds and follows the defined edges in the images automatically. The quick selection tool is useful for selecting the parts of an image. If we talk about the magic wand tool, so in the same category, we just have to select the magic wand tool. It is used to select the adjacent areas of the same color in the image. Here in the image, you can find it has selected the all area which is of the same color. So just have to click it on. Here you can find the three options: tolerance, anti-alias, and contiguous. Basically, tolerance determines the color range of the selected pixels. And the higher the tolerance, the wider will be the range of selected pixels. So here in this video, if I make the tolerance 100, so it select all the area which is having the contrast colors of green. And if I decrease the tolerance over here, so it will just find the exact color matching with that particular area only. It will select those pixels which are having the same colors. Now here you can see the change. And if with this selection, if the tolerance is 70, so you can see the selection area expands automatically. If we check the contiguous portion, contiguous limits the selection to adjacent pixels only. While unchecking this option, all the pixels in the image with the same tolerance range will be selected. If I untick it, it will select all the area with the same color. So next is about move tool. This tool is used to drag a selected part of an image to a new location in the image. So we just have to select with any of the selection tool, and with the help of move tool we can able to move our image.